That's really cool. Yeah, I'm with you. I did not know that either. So little lesson for both of us. Karen, we have got some really good weather to talk about, so I am happy to give this forecast because our humidity is on its way down. Now, it's not there yet, but you will notice it as we move on later today. Of course, I think we're all just glad 100-degree days are behind us for now. And if you're counting so far, we have had 7. Of course, 5 of those were in a row, and that's what we just got done with over the weekend. Average for the summer here in DFW is 18, so we've not even gotten to halfway, if you think about it, on what is average for 100-degree days. Now, typically they happen mostly in August. That's where we at least get about 9 of them. We've got 14 days left this month, and in the 7-day forecast, I don't have 100 degrees. So if that gives you any hope that we are maybe close to being done with 100-degree days, that kind of gives us some context and maybe helps us to push through some of this heat. But today, not too bad. We've got blue sky, 87 degrees, feels like 91. Dew point is 69, so it is still humid. But the cold front that is driving this dry air into the region is pushing through the region. And as it makes more progress late this afternoon and tonight, you will feel the difference. More numbers across the board. Keller 90. We've got 89 Rockwall, Midlothian at 89. Through the rest of the day, we get into the low to mid 90s. So still a warm forecast, but actually a few degrees below the average, which is in the upper 90s. But then tonight, once that dry air has settled in, it's going to cool off quickly. We're looking at a cooler forecast to wake up to tomorrow. It's going to be spring-like, dare I say, many spots waking up in the 60s with really dry air. It'll be so refreshing as we kick it off tomorrow. So here's that front right now as we take a look at it pushing through the region, moving south of I-20. Nothing to see as far as any rain and really not much clouds. The big focus will be on the humidity drop-off. We actually started this morning in the 70s, but by the time we get into tonight, that change, dew points in the low 50s. It will be felt for sure. We get to keep it around actually a couple of days lower humidity as a front stalls to the south, and it kind of keeps the door closed on any big amounts of moisture to arrive to North Texas. So you can expect sunshine to stick around. The dry forecast sticks around. Unsettled weather, though. Meanwhile, through the Atlantic, we're still talking 2 disturbances, one of which has a 90% chance of forming into a tropical cyclone. So we could have 2 named storms, perhaps, there in the Atlantic as we look ahead to next week. So stay tuned. For now, though, we'll just enjoy our nicer August days. Karen?
Extremely nice August days, Annalise. We're going to underline that, underscore it with exclamation points on the end. Appreciate it.